Hello everybody, welcome back to Unknown Unboxers again. We are back with another latest gadget to unbox for your viewing pleasure. Today we are going to unbox the Sony PlayStation 4 Thanksgiving 2019 bundle. So what's special about this bundle? Not only does it come with a console, a 1 terabyte console, but it also comes with 3 extremely popular games that are currently running right now. The first one of those is The Last of Us, which was rated Game of the Year a few years ago. The God of War, which released a couple of years ago and gotten great reviews. And a very beautiful looking, very aesthetically pleasing game, Horizon, which has started to get a lot of traction as well in the market with all the gamers. So it's extremely exciting for me to actually unbox this. We just got this off of the Thanksgiving sale this year, and let's see what's in there. But before I open it up, I also wanted to show you the whole idea behind Sony and the fact that the PlayStation 4 console is not just a gaming console, but it's also something that enables you to watch your live TV, sports, news as well without a cable TV box. And also you can kind of elevate the experience by getting your own VR console and a VR viewer as well. So let's jump right in and see what's in here. So the first thing to notice when you unbox is that there's a box within the PlayStation box as well. So it's a full-blown box, it's right here. And now this holds all of the goodies inside for us. Let's open it up. Some earphones for you to experience the game. The controller for you to control the console. Connector wires and charging cables for the console itself. Let's open it out and bring the console out. Here are the games. So first things first, as part of the Thanksgiving bundle, here's the DVD of The Last of Us. However, something that is very unique with the other 2 games, which is Horizon and God of War, is that you don't actually get the DVD. You get to download it through a code that has been passed to you. And the code is inside, and you can get into the PlayStation Marketplace and get those games downloaded. You also have an owner's manual to configure and set up the PlayStation 4. And now actually let's open up the console and see how sleek it is. Something that's always impressed me about PlayStation is how sleek the design is and how compact it is. So here's another example. A jet black version of the PlayStation 4 console. Very light, very beautifully designed. No sharp edges, all rounded corners. Here's the interface, where there's a USB interface, a DVD input where you can put in your game DVDs, a second charging outlet, the power button, and the eject button right here. So everything very simple. It's very easy to set up. Behind it is a place where you would plug in your Ethernet cable, your HDMI input, the power input as well, and another USB input. Look at the logo. There you have it. And once you start plugging it in and start enjoying it, you will be able to kind of experience the games in itself. So the console itself comes with only one controller, and the controller matches the color of the game itself. This is the black controller. But suppose you're playing multiplayer games, you would be required to purchase an additional controller as part of this. But out of the bundle itself, it only comes with one controller for you to use.